There's something magical about taking something old and forgotten and giving it a new purpose. Upcycling isn't just about sustainability, it's about infusing your home with character and stories. Those stacks of old books gathering dust, they're full of potential just waiting to be unlocked. Imagine them transformed into a charming, one-of-a-kind kitchen shelf, showcasing your favorite cookbooks or displaying charming kitchen accents. That's the beauty of DIY. You get to be creative and resourceful while adding warmth and personality to your home. Before we embark on this creative journey, let's gather our tools and materials. For this project, you'll need old hardcover books, at least 2 or 3 depending on the desired shelf size, sturdy L-shaped shelf brackets, a drill with a screw bit suitable for your wall type, screws, a pencil, a level, a ruler or measuring tape, and decorative paper or fabric, which is optional. Having everything on hand makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our books for their grand transformation. Start by choosing books with sturdy covers and interesting textures or colors. Wipe down the covers with a damp cloth to remove any dust or debris. If desired, you can cover the covers with decorative paper or fabric using decoupage techniques for an extra touch of personalization. Let the books dry completely before moving on to the next step. Section 4. Assembling a sturdy and stylish shelf. With our books prepped and ready, it's time to assemble the shelf. This project is perfect for adding both functionality and a touch of style to any room in your home. Whether you're an experienced DIY enthusiast or a beginner, you'll find this process straightforward and rewarding. Begin by determining the desired height and position for your shelf on the wall. Consider the height of the books and any other items you plan to place on the shelf. This will help ensure that everything fits perfectly and looks balanced. Using a level and a pencil, mark the wall where you'll install the shelf brackets. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy, as it will affect the overall stability and appearance of your shelf. Make sure the marks are level to ensure a stable and even shelf. Double-check your measurements and marks before proceeding to the next step. Next, drill pilot holes at the marked spots using the appropriate drill bit for your wall type. This will make it easier to screw in the brackets and help prevent the wall from cracking or splitting. Carefully align the shelf brackets with the pilot holes and screw them securely into the wall. Make sure the brackets are firmly attached to support the weight of the books and other items you'll be placing on the shelves. Now comes the fun part. This is where your creativity can really shine. Arrange your books on the brackets, creating a stack that's both sturdy and visually appealing. You can mix and match different sizes and colors to create a unique look. You can play around with different heights and positions until you achieve the desired look. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments until you're happy with the final result. Enjoy your new stylish shelf. Section 5. Securely mounting your literary masterpiece. To ensure your new shelf is safe and secure, it's essential to mount it properly. Double-check that the shelf brackets are firmly attached to the wall and can support the weight of the books and any items you plan to display on them. If needed, use longer screws or wall anchors for added stability. Once you're confident in the shelf's stability, step back and admire your handiwork. You've successfully transformed ordinary old books into a charming and functional piece of kitchen decor. Section 6. Styling your shelf, a culinary canvas. Now comes the fun part, styling your new shelf. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Think of your shelf as a blank canvas, ready to be filled with items that not only serve a purpose, but also bring joy and inspiration to your culinary space. Let your personality shine through as you curate a collection of items that reflect your culinary passions. Whether it's a cherished family heirloom, a quirky kitchen gadget, or a piece of art that inspires you, each item should tell a story and add to the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Showcase your favorite cookbooks. Cookbooks are not just for reading, they can be beautiful decorative pieces too. What better way to display your culinary treasures than on a shelf made from books themselves? This not only saves space, but also adds a unique touch to your kitchen decor. Arrange your favorite cookbooks on the shelf, either stacked horizontally or vertically, for easy access and a visually appealing display. Display charming kitchen accents. Add a touch of whimsy and personality to your kitchen by displaying charming accents on your shelf. These little touches can make your kitchen feel more inviting and personalized. Think vintage teacups, small plants, decorative jars filled with colorful spices, or unique salt and pepper shakers. These items not only look great, but are also functional, adding both beauty and utility to your space. Create a coffee or tea station. If you're a coffee or tea enthusiast, why not dedicate a portion of your shelf to creating a dedicated beverage station? This can be a delightful addition to your kitchen. If you're a coffee or tea enthusiast, why not dedicate a portion of your shelf to creating a dedicated beverage station? Store your favorite mugs, tea bags, coffee beans, and sweeteners within easy reach for a cozy and functional corner. Store your favorite mugs, tea bags, coffee beans, and sweeteners within easy reach for a cozy and functional corner. Incorporate practical storage solutions. Maximize the functionality of your shelf by incorporating practical storage solutions. This not only helps in keeping your kitchen organized, but also ensures that everything you need is within arm's reach. Use small baskets or trays to corral smaller items like utensils, napkins, or tea towels, keeping your countertop clutter-free. This way, you can maintain a clean and tidy kitchen while still having all your essentials easily accessible. Section 7. Embrace the charm of upcycled decor. Congratulations on giving those old books a new lease on life. Instead of letting them gather dust, you've turned them into something truly special. By transforming them into a chic and functional kitchen shelf, you've created a unique piece that stands out. You've not only added a touch of personality to your home, but also a conversation starter that guests will admire. Embracing the beauty of upcycling means seeing potential in items that others might discard. This project is a testament to the fact that with a little creativity and effort, you can breathe new life into old items. We can turn ordinary objects into extraordinary pieces that spark joy and conversation. It's about seeing the world through a different lens. So why not gather your materials and embark on this rewarding DIY adventure? The possibilities are endless. You'll be amazed at the transformation and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. The satisfaction that comes with creating something beautiful and unique with your own hands is unparalleled. So, get started and let your creativity flow. In this chapter, we'll explore creative ways to use old books in your kitchen decor. From bookends to unique storage solutions, the possibilities are endless. Imagine using vintage books as charming bookends for your kitchen counter. Simply place a couple of sturdy, hardcover novels at either end of your favorite cookbooks. They keep your culinary guides organized and add a touch of literary elegance. Hollow out a few thick volumes to create hidden compartments for utensils or spices. Frame pages featuring recipes or quotes and hang them on your kitchen walls. You'll be amazed at the unique decor you can create with a little effort and ingenuity. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of upcycled book projects. First, a stunning bookshelf created from vintage encyclopedias. It adds a touch of nostalgia and sophistication to any room. And this charming book planter brings greenery and creativity to any space. With creativity, you can turn old books into unique decor pieces. Happy upcycling!